everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. First off, please ignore my mess in the background. I'm in the process of cleaning this room out, I think I mentioned before. And it's just, I can only do a little bit at a time because I don't live here. I live at another house. So I do a little bit at a time when I'm here. Anyways, so thank you for joining me. I hope that you guys are subscribed. If not, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bottom right hand corner, I hope. If not, you can go to my channel page and check out all my hundreds of crochet tutorials at the making of the video, which is 2/19/2022. I have almost 1,000 crochet videos and uploading as we speak. All right, so today I have some mystery boxes from Lionbrand. Oh, I love Lionbrand's mystery boxes. I love mystery boxes in general. Like I always say, any kind of mystery box, I love it. I love it. But yarn are my favorites. I have some cool ones coming from a company in Canada next week, maybe. Hopefully next week, but it's gonna be fun. Anyways, I'm gonna quit blabbing and I'm gonna show you now. Lionbrand had some on Valentine's Day. They had some Valentine's Day mystery boxes, and it said that they contained a pink and red yarn. All were natural, or all were hypoallergenic, so there would be no wool in them, I assume. So I'm pretty excited. I did buy 5 of them. Now, I bought enough mystery boxes from Lionbrand to know that usually if you buy a bunch at once, you're going to get the same thing. In fact, it says that in the comments, or it says that in the description. But sometimes, just sometimes, it's different. That's the mystery. That's the thrill. The not knowing, you know. But it doesn't bother me if they're all the same. It's just more yarn to make a bigger project. Anyways, I usually end up giving half of it, 3/4 of it away, 9/10 of it away. Anyways, so let's begin, shall we? Let's begin. Now, people email me and ask me a lot, like they can't find Lionbrand's mystery boxes. Now, they only have them sometimes. You have to sign up to their mailing list. That's would be what I would do, and then they will send you an email when they have them. I don't know if there's any available now. I'm gonna assume, I don't know if there's or not. You can check, but that's the best way to do it. That's how I always know they have mystery boxes, because I'm signed up to the mailing list and I get an email saying they have them. Let's go. I'm gonna quit talking. I'm too far into the video. Let's open these up. Pink and red, pink and red, pink and red, pink and red. Well, before we start that, I think they had a sale on some yarn at the time I bought this stuff. So, I got some Naboo. This is the only other yarn I got besides the mystery boxes. They had it on, it was in a clearance section. Naboo. It's 100% lyocell. I like it. I like Naboo. I've used it before. I got tutorials using Naboo. It's a medium weight number 4, 157 yards. So the color I have here, of course, is going to be brown because I love brown. It's my favorite. It's called Mocha. Anyways, Naboo is so silky, so drapey, and I got 9 balls of it because I'm going to make something bigger with it for spring. I think I'm going to make a vest or a duster out of it. I'm very excited for that. I'm not sure what stitch I'll use, but I know that hopefully 9 shall cover it. A longer one. Anyways, okay, mystery boxes. Let's see what's in these bad boys, so I don't make this video extremely long. It says mystery box, Valentine's Day. Mystery bag. These are all going to be the same, but that's okay. That's okay. It's fun that way. So I got this is a Lionbrand Pound of Love. I actually got this color in one of my other mystery boxes that was not a Valentine's Day one. Right here it is. And I was hoping that I would get another one, but I didn't. But now I do. For something tells me I'm going to have a lot more in the box. But this one is very pretty. The Lionbrand Pound of Love is very nice value yarn. You know, you get a pound of it. It is a 4-weight, a little bit on the lighter side of a 4-weight. 100% acrylic. Premium acrylic. It does feel good. The color of this one is called Pink Salt. So it kind of reminds me of like that, you know, pink Himalayan salt looking stuff that you can, that's what it reminds me But anyways, I got that. And then I got some Basic Stitch in pink. I like their Basic Stitch anti-pilling. It's a very nice anti-pilling yarn. I've used it in many tutorials. I like it a lot. This also came in my last mystery box. That's okay. I don't care. I like it. So I got 3 of those. I like it. I like pink. Pink's a nice color. So I got 3 of those. Oh, and I got some more Basic Stitch. Now I wouldn't call this pink nor red. I would call this purple. But that's okay. It's beautiful. This is the same as this one, only the color is called Prism. The color of this one is called Hot Pink. And like I said, I love a Basic Stitch, so this is no problem for me. It's a very pretty color. It's not really a color that I would normally gravitate to. I like purple, but I'm more into a darker color purple. But it's very pretty. I still like it. Probably end up in a giveaway or something, or mystery boxes or something. But it's still pretty. Okay, so that was my first one. Who wants to bet that they're all the same? Place your bets in the comments. Bets in the comments. I know they're gonna be. I don't care though. It's fun. It's just fun. It makes these videos short too, so you don't have to listen to me talk forever. All right, I'm gonna have a lot of these now. So this is the same. I only need 2 to make a blanket, but it's all right. I'm gonna set these to the side because I probably won't keep these. And another of the pink, which I can't keep all these pinks either because I already have some from my previous unboxing. 2 down, 3 to go, both the same. Will the next ones be? Let's go, so we know. I think it's the same. I think it's the same. That's okay. That's okay. It's fun. It's fun. It's just, you never know. Maybe I'll get a different color. My last mystery box unboxing was the same, but I got a different color, and I was so super excited just to get a different color. But I'm super excited just to get the mystery boxes the same. So yes, I have tons of pounds of that pink salt color. The lavender. You know, my daughter Evelyn, she's 6. She just turned 6. She would probably like that. And this. I know she'd like this. I'm in the process of making her, I'll tell you, I'm going to stop for a second. I'm in the process of making her a new sailor dress. There is a sailor dress tutorial on my channel that I made her when she was about, I don't know, 18 months, 2 years old. I can't remember. She wanted a new one. And you will not guess what I'm making that out of. I'm making it out of a 2-weight mercerized cotton. Yes, you heard me right. A 2-weight. Bagoday never uses 2 weights. But mercerized cotton lasts longer than regular cotton. It'll last forever. So anything for my baby, she could pass it on from generation to generation. It's gonna take me a while. I don't like to use 2 weights. All right. Again. I got a lot of pounds of love here. Lots of pounds. Lots of pounds of love. Lots of Basic Stitch. I like the pink. I do like the purple, but it's too much. It's too much purple for me. Sorry, Rose, if you're watching. Rose from Rose Likes Crochet, your favorite color is purple. Now, don't get me wrong, I love purple, but I like a deep, dark purple. Last one. Come on, come on, come on. Last one. Last one. Oh, it's different. No, I'm just kidding. I had you guys going, didn't I? You thought it was different. That's okay. I think that I got a good deal because I got all this beautiful Basic Stitch, which, like I said, I really, really like Basic Stitch yarn. I have quite a bit of it in all different colors. I actually have it in a very pretty dark purple sitting on my shelf over there. It actually would probably mix with this one quite well, but I don't need all this. I can't use it all. So like I said, I only need a couple of these to do a blanket, and now I have, since my previous unboxing, I have 6 of them. That's a lot of pounds of love. Lionbrand, you love me, don't you, with your pounds? Loving me with your pounds. pounds and pounds of love from Lionbrand. And now I have 5 of, so I got 15 balls of this stuff. At 185 yards a ball, I can make anything I ever wanted to make, and multiples of them. And I have 5 of these plus 3 from my previous unboxing for a total of 8 packs. Yes, for a total of 24 balls of yarn. It's a lot of balls of hot pink. I don't need that many. Look for them in giveaways. But it was fun. It was still fun. I enjoyed talking yarn with you guys. Let me know in the comments, did you get the Valentine's Day mystery box? What'd you get? Did you get the same thing I did? Where's the red? Where's the red? It said red and pink. I love red. I love red. Where is it? There's no red in here. I would have took, no, don't get me wrong. I like this. I do. But I would have rather have been red. I would have been super stoked if it was red. But I'll take the purple. I have to. Because it came to me. Anyway, it was fun. It was fun. It was a good time. I enjoyed everything that I got. I got so much of it that I can make projects out of all of it and still have enough to share with you guys through giveaways and however mystery boxes and everything like that. So thank you. Pounds of love everywhere. There's just pounds of love. Pounds and pounds. All right, I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, you know, just a short one, just a fun one. I love doing unboxings with you guys, and yeah, I starting to think about spring, so that Naboo's gonna make something beautiful. I know it. I hope. Anyways, I always hope my stuff turns out, because I do just wing it, but most of the time it does, and if it doesn't, you'll never know. I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, stay safe, guys. Bye.